Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Explorer key fob battery. First, you'll need a few simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2450 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this task much easier. This quick guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can get your key fob working perfectly again in just a few minutes. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. Now, let's get that key fob open. Look for the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button, then slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully twist the screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift out the old CR2450 battery. Now, take your new CR2450 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one was. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a satisfying click. Your key fob should now be fully functional. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.